Are insects coming from the drainage water in your home? So you pour bleach, hot water, or insect spray. The insects disappear for a while. Then they come back. Why? Because you're probably treating the wrong place. Let's uncover the real cause and stop them for good. Are the insects appearing only around your kitchen sink? Then this could be the real reason. If you're seeing insects around your kitchen sink, don't blame the water. The real problem is usually what's stuck above the waterline. Cooking oil, food scraps, soap residue, slowly stick to the inside of the drain. This creates a slimy layer called biofilm. That's where insects feed and lay their eggs. Instead of pouring more chemicals into the drain, scrub the inside walls using a flexible drain brush. This removes the sticky breeding layer where insects lay their eggs. For an even deeper clean, use a handheld steam cleaner around the drain opening and the upper part of the pipe after scrubbing. The steam helps loosen remaining residue in areas that are difficult to reach. Remember, the goal isn't just to kill the insects, it's to remove the place where they breed. Bathroom drains collect here: soap, skin oils, and toothpaste residue. But there's another place people almost never clean. The sink overflow hole. It's always damp, rarely flushed, and can become a hidden breeding spot. Use a small bottle brush or an old toothbrush to clean inside the overflow opening once every few weeks. Have insects appeared around a floor drain that you rarely use? The problem may not be dirt. It may be a dry pea trap. Every floor drain has a water seal. Think of it as a gate that blocks insects from traveling through the pipe. If the drain isn't used for weeks, the water evaporates. Now insects have an open path into your home. Simply pour 1 or 2 cups of water into unused drains every week to keep the seal intact. If insects appear after heavy rain, don't assume the rain created them. Rain simply drives insects out of blocked drains and stagnant water. Leaves, mud, and standing water create perfect breeding conditions. Remove leaves regularly and make sure water drains away within a day after rain. If water stands longer than that, it becomes a breeding site. Laundry drains are often forgotten. Lint, fabric fibers, and detergent residue collect inside the pipe. These materials trap moisture and become another food source for insects. Clean the lint filter regularly and brush the laundry drain once a month. You've cleaned every drain, but insects still return. Now look for the hidden causes. A slow plumbing leak under the sink, a cracked drain pipe, or a strong sewage smell. These signs often mean insects are breeding somewhere you can't see. Instead of using stronger chemicals, inspect the plumbing first. Fixing the moisture problem usually fixes the insect problem too. You don't need harsh chemicals every week. Just follow the simple routine. Remove food scraps from sink strainers. Brush the inside of kitchen and bathroom drains. Clean the sink overflow opening. Pour water into unused floor drains. Check under sinks for leaks. Keep outdoor drains free of leaves. 5 minutes a week can prevent weeks of insect problems. If insects are coming from drainage water, don't focus on killing the insects you can see. Focus on removing the hidden place where they're breeding. Whether it's your kitchen sink, bathroom drain, floor drain, laundry area, or an outdoor drain, finding the real source is the key to stopping the problem permanently. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments, where are you seeing the insects? Kitchen, bathroom, floor drain, or outdoors? And subscribe to Hack It Perfect for simple, practical home pest control tips that solve the problem at its source.